on Kane Creek Trail with Tread Lightly and the Bureau of Land Management, and we're going to be driving some posts to block off parts of the trail that are unauthorized that people shouldn't be using. So it's basically saving the trail and also getting a lot of media teams here to be able to cover it, because as you know, this year we had a lot of reductions in our government that affected these lands. So we're here as volunteers to help do what's right, and we've got all of our friends that are in the industry to be able to come out and help us today. And then we get to run Kane Creek Trail, which is one of my absolute favorite trails.